In this video, we'll go over what is a filter, how to use filters, how to search a list, and how to use wildcards. A filter is a set of conditions applied to a table to help you find and work with a subset of data in that table. Now, for the demonstration, let's navigate to the incident table. So, here on the screen you can see a complete list of all the incidents available in this instance. An easy way to filter this list is to simply right-click on any of the values you want to exclude and select Filter Out. We can see that I just right-clicked on this priority equal to 5, and then if I select Filter Out, this will filter out all the incidents and will only show the incidents where the priority is not equal to 5. Another way of filtering is to select the Show Matching to display all the incidents with a specific priority. So, here we can filter out the list by right-clicking on priority equal to 1 and select Show Matching. So here you can see we have a complete list of incidents where the priority is equal to 1. We can also tell how our list is filtered by looking at these breadcrumbs that you see here at the top. Let's select one of the filters to show you. So, here you can see all the filters which are applied to this list. You can see the assigned to is equal to empty, the active equal to true, and the priority is equal to 1 or 2. Greater than symbol, this separates different conditions. The breadcrumbs always start with all where there are no filters and all the records are displayed. And each filter condition further refines the result from left to right. The leftmost condition being the most general and the rightmost condition being the most specific. Clicking a condition removes all the condition to its right, so this means that if we click on active equal to true, this will remove the condition of priority equal to 1 or 2. And by clicking on all the conditions will be removed, and this will display all the records one more time. To remove a condition from a middle filter without affecting the condition to its right, we can always click on the condition separator and then this will remove it. So, this means that if I click on this condition separator which is in between assigned to equal to empty and active equal to true, then it will only remove the condition active equal to true. And clicking the rightmost item refreshes the list. Now let's see how to filter a list with the condition builder. To open the condition builder, you need to click on this filter icon and then this will show you the condition builder. So, here you can see there are 3 different components of these conditions. One is a field which is the leftmost and then there is an operator. There are different operators depending upon the field type which is selected and then there is a value. The buttons on the top that you see here are called top-level conditions. While the buttons on the right-hand side that you see and N or are called the dependent condition. Most of the filtering that you will be working with will be using the dependent conditions. Now let's get rid of this category condition and then add another or condition where the priority is 2. And then we will also select all the incidents which are active. So, to run this condition we need to click on the Run and then here we can see the complete list of all the incidents with a condition, priority equal to 1 or equal to 2 and active equals true. We can also add the sort option with this Add Sort option. So, we can sort using let's say the open date and time and then we can again click Run and then here you will see the list will be sorted according to the time these incidents were opened. The advantage of creating a filter here is that we can also save it. As you can see, there is a Save button here and we can save this list by clicking on this button. Depending on the roles, we can then make this filter available to others as well, such as everyone or a specific group. So, let me save this for myself, P1 and P2, active incidents, and then all I have to do is click Save. This filter will then be saved and made available in this filter option. And you can see here that there are P1, P2 active incidents, so I can quickly filter by looking here on the list. We can also edit it later if necessary. So, if we click on the Edit Personal Filters, we will see all of the filter conditions that the logged-in user has created. And then, by clicking on this, we can also edit or delete any filter later on. Now let's take a look at the various ways to search a list. We can perform a quick search on one column using the search option at the top. As a result, this drop-down option displays all of the fields that are currently visible or selected in this list view. We can search for any of these fields, so for example, if we want to select category recall to software, we can search, and this will show us all the incidents where the category is equal to software. In the same way, we can search for other fields. Another way to search lists for any of the column is through this magnifier icon. So, you can see this magnifier icon here. Clicking on this magnifying icon one more time will actually hide the search option that you see here on this list. If I click, the search option will be hidden, and if clicked again, the search option will be visible. We can then use this to easily search any of the available columns. Let's search for records where short description contains the term server and the host category ends with the word where. So, for that, we need to type asterisk and then server, and then for the category, we'll type asterisk followed by where and then press enter. As a result, the asterisk sign instructs the system to return all records in which the search term appears anywhere in that string. There are 4 records where the short description contains the keyword server, and it also returns the categories hardware and software because both of these categories contain the keywords where. You can also use the wildcards to construct complex searches. The wildcards are also reflected in the breadcrumbs as seen here at the top. We can also add more conditions if you want to. So, on this screen, you can see all of the wildcard searches available in ServiceNow. So, the first one you see here is where we put the asterisk sign before the search term, as well as the percentage sign before and after the search term, to look for values that contain the search term. We can also use an equal to sign before the search term to look for values that match the search term. And the rest of the wildcard searches that you see on the screen. Thank you.